Transform your garage into a sleek, durable, and easy-to-maintain space with our roundup of the top 5 best PVC garage floor tiles. These premium flooring solutions not only enhance the look of your garage, but also provide lasting performance under heavy use. Perfect for protecting your floor from stains, cracks, and wear, they offer both style and functionality. Whether you want a professional finish or a practical upgrade, discover the best options to make your garage stand out in both strength and design. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is WochiTV PVC Garage Floor Tiles. The WochiTV non-slip drainage mats PVC pool floor mat in gray is designed to improve safety and cleanliness in both indoor and outdoor environments. Made from high-quality polyvinyl chloride material, it offers impressive elasticity, flexibility, and resistance to wear, bending, and ultraviolet rays, ensuring reliable performance over time. Its S-shaped hollow design helps drain water quickly, keeping the surface dry and reducing the risk of slipping in wet or oily conditions. The raised texture also adds comfort by protecting feet from extreme temperatures, making it practical for different seasons. With a thickness of 6 mm and dimensions of 39.6 inches in length by 36 inches in width, it is suitable for large coverage and can be trimmed to fit specific spaces. This rectangular mat is ideal for areas prone to moisture or dirt such as bathrooms, garages, basements, backyards, patios, commercial kitchens, swimming pool sides, spas, restaurants, or shopping mall entrances. It combines a clean appearance with reliable traction, making it a versatile choice for both residential and commercial settings. Its durable build ensures it withstands heavy use while maintaining its non-slip properties, offering peace of mind in high traffic or wet areas. The material and structure work together to prevent dirt accumulation and make cleaning easier, ensuring a neat look for longer periods. Whether placed in a workspace, home, or leisure area, it provides a functional flooring solution that balances safety, style, and long-term durability. In our list, the number 2 product name is Big Floors GarageTrac Diamond Tile. The Big Floors GarageTrac Diamond Interlocking Non-Slip Garage Flooring Tile in graphite offers a durable and stylish option for upgrading various floor spaces. Crafted from strong copolymer material, it is built to handle heavy use while maintaining its modern appearance. Each tile measures 12 inches in length by 12 inches in width, and the pack includes 48 pieces, making it suitable for covering large areas. The diamond double tread pattern not only gives a unique visual appeal, but also adds traction to help reduce the risk of slipping during work or movement. Its interlocking design allows the tiles to connect securely without the need for adhesives or special tools, creating a seamless surface that remains stable under pressure. The material is capable of withstanding substantial rolling loads, making it well-suited for garages, workshops, or other high-traffic environments. The textured finish resists staining from substances like car oil, dirt, and dust, allowing for quick and easy cleaning with basic equipment. This flooring option provides flexibility for different layout preferences, as it can be combined with other compatible tiles to create custom designs. Whether used to enhance the look of a residential garage or to provide a practical surface in a utility area, it balances durability, function, and visual appeal. Its strong build ensures reliable performance over time while offering a neat and organized appearance, making it an effective choice for spaces that demand both toughness and style in everyday use. In our list, the number 3 product name is VEVOR PVC Interlocking Garage Floor Tile. The VEVOR Interlocking Tile Set in black offers a practical flooring solution designed for areas that experience frequent moisture or heavy foot traffic. Each piece measures 12 inches in length by 12 inches in width, and the pack includes 50 tiles that can be connected together for wide coverage. Made from soft yet strong polyvinyl chloride material, these tiles combine durability with flexibility, making them reliable for long-term use. The design includes efficient drainage holes that allow water to pass through quickly, preventing puddles and helping the surface remain safe and fresh. With a thickness supported by sturdy pins, the structure maintains stability while reducing the chance of slipping in wet environments. The interlocking system allows the tiles to be assembled with ease and adjusted according to the size of the area, offering customizable coverage for both large and small spaces. Their low-maintenance surface resists buildup from hair, grease, or dirt, making them simple to clean with just a rinse or a damp cloth. This makes them highly suitable for busy areas where cleanliness and safety are important. These modular floor mats can be used in many settings, including bathrooms, swimming pools, kitchens, restaurants, and other public or residential spaces that require a non-slip and hygienic surface. Their solid pattern and neat appearance also add to the overall look of the area while delivering dependable performance. Designed for versatility and everyday practicality, this flooring option balances safety, durability, and ease of maintenance. In our list, the number 4 product name is Gladiator GAFP 32 CBZM Garage Floor Tile. The Gladiator GAFP 32 CBZM floor pack in black and silver provides a strong and stylish way to improve garage flooring with a modular interlocking design. Each tile measures 12 inches in width, 12 inches in depth, and half an inch in height, making it easy to cover a wide area while creating a professional finish. The rectangular shape and tab and loop connection system allow the pieces to fit securely together, giving the surface a neat and uniform appearance without the need for adhesives or complicated tools. Built to endure heavy use, the construction is designed to hold up to 250 pounds per square inch, offering reliable strength for vehicles, tools, and equipment. The durable material ensures the tiles resist cracking or chipping, even when exposed to demanding conditions or varying temperatures. Its resistance to common chemicals found in garages makes it a dependable choice for long-term use. This pack comes with both tiles and trim, allowing for custom arrangements such as checkerboard layouts or other unique designs that enhance the overall look of the space. The black and silver color combination gives the floor a modern appearance while maintaining a clean and functional surface. Maintenance is simple, as the surface can be quickly rinsed or hosed down to remove dirt, oil, or other messes. Suitable for transforming residential garages into organized, high-quality spaces, it balances durability, style, and ease of use, making it an effective flooring option for enhancing both function and appearance. In our list, the number 5 product name is Garage Flooring Interlocking Tiles. The Garage Flooring Interlocking Tiles Diamond Top in Gray, available in a 27 pack, are designed to create a durable and stylish surface for both residential and commercial use. Each tile measures 12 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and half an inch in thickness, built from high-impact polypropylene material that is lightweight, rigid, and non-toxic. The loop-to-peg interlocking system makes installation simple without the need for adhesives or special tools, allowing the tiles to form a floating floor that remains stable under pressure. The diamond top texture provides a clean and professional look while delivering extra grip, making it a reliable choice for areas where traction is important. The underside grid structure allows water and air to pass through easily, preventing trapped moisture and helping maintain a fresh environment. This design makes the tiles suitable not only for garages, but also for basements, trade shows, workshops, and other high-traffic areas. With the ability to withstand the heavy rolling weight of large vehicles such as sport utility vehicles and pickup trucks, the tiles offer long-lasting performance. They are resistant to ultraviolet rays, ensuring they maintain their appearance even when exposed to sunlight. Multiple color options allow for creative designs such as checkerboard patterns, and the compatibility with other Meduto products expands the range of layout possibilities. Proudly made in the United States, these modular tiles combine strength, versatility, and easy maintenance, making them an effective flooring solution for practical and decorative needs. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.